Hey everyone, what's up guys? If you're new here, smash that subscribe button, smash the like button and click the notification bell. So we're back playing, we have just started playing Royal High School. And I have played this before, so as you can clearly see, I have got a skirt and, excuse me, you're standing on my head. Ow. Anyway, I didn't want to sound mean, then I was trying to talk really loud so you guys can hear me, because I don't want anything to go wrong, because I've tried to do this video tons of times and I get really quiet. So yeah, but I have also got 3 jewels on my crown, and as you can see, I got a purple crown. And I've just realised, why does it make my head look like, why do the heels look like when you fly? Oh my days, I can't talk. Anyway, why does it look like when you fly? Yeah. Do you know the heels? Yeah. It looks like they've been polished. Look. You see it? You see it? Anyway, just gonna meow. Oh, I've never done it this way. I'm gonna shoot. Oh, school's out. Let's do our homework. Just gonna go over here. I need to do my homework. Hey, okay. Homework. Start homework. Okay, so I'll be back once I've done my homework. Okay, guys, I've just done my homework. What do you think? Look up. Oh, I was going to say I did it really early, but I didn't. Yeah. So now I've got to go post art, music, and English. Okay. So art's here. What was it? Oh, art, music. Okay, there we go. Oh. I'll put that there. Sorry, I was really quiet then. I'm trying my best to talk, but I don't know what to say. So yeah. So I'm just gonna post all my homework. So I have to do that because I'm off to the dance tonight. Because I'm a mermaid. I just want to do something. I know. Where's English? I mean, was it in here? English? Music's here. I was always wondering, where the heck's the music room? So, I'm just going to post this in here. Oh my god! I got a new thing! Oh my days! Oh, I wonder what it is. It's lagging, but I wonder what it is. Oh. Well, no, I'm not putting it on my crown. That's not gonna match. Looks stupid, Dan. Wait. Maybe. Hello? Stupid. Whatever. Oh, sick. I'm joking. Look, it looks stupid now. Look at it. Yeah, let's match. We're putting a diamond on, not circles. So I get really nice. Like, how does it like? I'm gonna give her all pinks. Yeah, all circles. But then I'm gonna give her a blimmin' diamond. If you give me the diamond in the first one, I could put it in the middle. But no, I have to give it last. Now I'm also like this because I was gonna show you guys a theory. Right, so if you ever played this game, Royal High School, you would know the dance is on this cart. But where does it come from? So I want to be out here. It's 8 o'clock. Yeah, right in the middle. Yeah, well maybe not right now. Maybe I have to like perish. I don't want to perish yet. Not in the game though. But look how beautiful she is. Oh, go. You don't need to be. Oh, you don't need to be. Oh, Gail, what's the matter with you? Fine then, fine. Be like this because she's a mermaid. No one knew that. Just look at this. I'm a midget. Oh. So guys, if you're wondering why my name is Willow, it's because when I was getting my dog, I decided to name her Willow, and I also got a YouTube account before then, and it was called Madison Thompson, which is obviously something. But yeah, but I like to use my dog name because it's pretty. No, I'm not saying my name's pretty. It's just easy to remember then. Ugh, really annoying me. I don't know why. Just is. Okay, here it is. Ah! Where did that come from? Get Jazzy on last night and it just popped out of nowhere. It's like, Spaniel! Oh, Mama. I want prom queen already nowadays. I'm gonna. Ow. I want to win prom queen. Actually, there's something I want to do. That may annoy people, sorry. I'm joking, guys. I'm sorry. Is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah. Is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah. Whoa. It's even more like fish. Look. Oh, never mind. That's the one I have. I was like, I'm so expensive. Who do you think I am? Is it too late now to say sorry? Yes. What the? I'm gonna leave. Okay then, bye bye. That's all I got then. I'm gonna put, I want prom queen! Thank you so much. Just to confuse everyone. I want prom queen. Thanks so much, everyone. I don't think no one fell for it. Oh, some people help. What? Ow, some people help. Huh? What? Me and me. What? Ooh. Yes, I love me. Vote me. Oh, never mind. I'm just gonna vote whoever my mouse picks. And I just shut and let me do it again. Excuse me. 3, 2, 1. I don't know who I picked then. What's going on? Aw. I wanted to win! Hey! You won! I won, like, I won. I want to see what this is. GK, well done. GK, well done. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave this video right here, if you guys don't mind. What am I talking about? If you guys don't mind that I leave the video here, because we've all got things to do. You know what I mean? And yeah. So right now, what the heck? Everyone just left me at the party. Oh, there's one person. I'm all alone, no one to be my friend. Anyway, I'm off to leave this video here. Comments if you want more videos like this. That's what I should do next because I have no clue. Okay, thank you so much for letting me do this vid. So see you later.